In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a custom field to your contact form. So when your visitors answer certain questions in certain ways, other questions appear, just like this, which is a very useful stuff. We're gonna start right now. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. The first thing we have to do to get the conditional functionality is to install a plugin called Contact Form 7 Conditional. To do that, we head to plugins and click add new. In the search bar, we search for Contact Form 7 Conditional. It's the first plugin right up here. Click in install now and then activate. As you can see, I already installed it, so what I want you to do is to install it and activate it. For this plugin, we don't have to set any settings. We just head into contact and contact form. Then we click edit on the contact form that we want to work on. So in my case, it's contact us. As you see, there is a conditional field tab added up here. In here is where we define the rules for conditions. But first, we have to make fields. In the form editor, there is a conditional field group been added. I'm gonna make a very simple example. As you can see, this is a generic contact form. It includes the name, email, subject, and message. Let's say we want to add a question for a customer as a feedback. Let's start with a p tag saying, did you enjoy watching this video? And want to add a radio button to it. So we click in radio button just right up here. As you see, the name is radio 934. You can leave it and you can name it as you want. The options is gonna be, for my question, is yes and no, but you can have any options you want. I like to wrap each item with label element, so I click on that, but you can have it like as a default, and click insert tag, but don't forget to close the p tag. We use the p tag here because label tag will cause a configuration error. So now we save our form, we click on save, and we head to contact page and click on refresh. As you see, there is a radio button field been added here. It's working properly, as you can see. Let's say we want to get a feedback from the customer to know why they didn't like our video by clicking in no option. To do that, we will use the new tabs that have been added to our form editor: conditional field and conditional field groups. To get started, we hold our cursor under the question that we want to use the conditional field. So we click on here and then we click on conditional field group. The first field is the name of the group. I will leave it as it is, but you can name it whatever you want. We click now in insert tag. We need to add the new fields inside the opening and closing group tag. So we put our cursor between them and click enter to make a space to add the new fields. We're gonna add a p tag to ask customers to leave a feedback. So we open and close the p tag and write in between, please leave a feedback. And under that we add a field, we could say a text area, as to give them as much space as they can to leave us the feedback. So we click on text area, we leave it not required because it's a conditional, otherwise it will have some problems, and we leave everything as it is. So we insert tag. In this time we save our form, and now we head to the conditional fields tab to put our condition there. So here, if the radio 934, which is the same radio we have here, 934, the name, equals to no, then what they have to do, show the group 803. So the group we have here is 803. So if they click on no, the group will appear. So after we finish the condition, we click on save. And then we go to the contact page and click on refresh. As you can see, the yes is the default. If we click on no, a new fields appear. The p tag is please leave a feedback and with a text area. So now let's go back to our form. So now guys, to inject the radio button field and text area value to the mail, the first thing we have to do is to head to the mail tab, and after we hit here, we go down to the message body. As you can see, from the name, email, subject, and the message. So we want to add the question, which is, did you enjoy our video? And then after the, as you can see up here, it's been injected a new radio button, which is the radio button we've been added, and the text area and the group. To have the value of the radio button in the mail, what we have to do is to highlight this radio button, copy it, and put it underneath the question. We can add the text area as well, as we want to know the feedback of the customer. We just click on copy, and then underneath the radio paste, and then we click save. This is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and find it useful. If you have any question, write it in the comment below and I will get back to you ASAP. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more IT videos. Bye for now.